Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday the 12th. Yup, tomorrow is Friday the 13th. But while it's Thursday the 12th, if you haven't watched yesterday, we sorted out my hair, and this is how it looks now. And now I really started my program on growing my hair like that, leaving it to grow for the next 60 days. So, yep. Today's day 1, and let's see what it'll be like, how it'll grow from day 1 till day 60. When we come to day 60, then my tufts will very likely either look like a pineapple head. Like, you might know the pineapple from Annoying Orange, but mine is not going to be like that, really. Not so seriously. Because that guy's hair is like a spike. And as well, some other of the characters. I might even get Thor's hairstyle, or I might even get another character. Like the guys at the old music videos. Like, the rock bands group. Like, for example, Queen, the Beatles, Aerosmith, something like that. Like that kind of hair that they have when they play at the music stage, when they play instruments at the rock band. Like, not only one person but the whole group would have like a really long hair. So there is a chance to have that when we come near day 60. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is that like any freeze or anything? Okay, it didn't rain last night, by the way. Don't think it did, because it didn't. Maybe because it already started getting a bit less humid. That's right, something. I wrote 13, but tomorrow is Friday the 13th. Oh, man. Alright. I think this is going to be either my last or the second last swim of the year. If I do another swim, then I'll do one on Sunday, and then that is it for this year. And of course, it don't open the buffet anymore. Look at that. I was like, there's a baby cat there. Hey, what are you trying to do around the buffet today? I also gonna go to the buffet. What, you feel attacked by weirdos? Oh yeah, look at that. There's... come on. There he goes. You see? Look at that. There's nobody. It closed out. But the pool hasn't closed out. You can't get in the water. It's bad for your health. Well, it's not bad for my health. Alright. Uh-oh. That damn water is so cold. Alright. It is freaking cold in that pool. Yeah, they already have these rooms. Alright, I can estimate there's 3 more people coming. Yep. I think they're going to complain too. If they complain, then we know why. Well, it isn't too breezy right now. Alright, there's 2 more guys out there, but I wonder if they're going to get in. Oh man, if they're really going to enter, then that's why I'm warning them that... Well, luckily they have the rooms out, mainly to investigate what's going on in the pool. Because why wouldn't it? The investigation, like, basically we are coming to mid-September, and it's already starting to get really, really cool in here as I enter. And yes, correct. On Sundays it does get really crowded in here, and I think it's gonna be like that. So perhaps I might have another swim on Sunday, and then on to winter mode. I am gonna go to that club. Yeah, there's a swimming pool. There's also jacuzzi in that same hall. There's fitness center and there's a basketball place and there's so many other things in that club. So I'm gonna go back to that club again until next year. Whew, even swimming in this pool. Alright, now you can hear that these girls are complaining about the temperature of the shower. Well, of course, yeah, it's been 6 minutes and I still feel a cool temperature in that pool. Oh my god, my voice can't even handle it. How about this? How about if I lie? There he is. Back again, that tiny little cat. Oh my god, imagine if he entered the pool. Wow. Hi, now is these little folks and there. Oh my god. Wow, she doesn't even care. Look at that. She doesn't even care at all. Like, they're just having fun. This is awesome. Well, for them, I decided not to take too much time.
They must be like you.
Yeah, but I had them headphones before, so. And yeah, it has been from February, I guess, that I didn't have those headphones.
I have no idea since when.
The past February, at least. Well, it was in the middle of January somewhere when it got broken. Then when it took a little while to fix them, you'll see them tomorrow in the video. Alright, we are at Grandma's house, but look at this. I turned this light on and the blinds are completely shut. Look at that. That feels like you are in an orchestra studio when you have these kind of lights on. Well, it might look yellow, but it looks a bit more red. Wow, it feels insane to be in this atmosphere. Well, my grandma is up this time, luckily. Alright guys, you want to see what I have? Alright, so this is grandma's. This is Hello Kitty, if you don't know. Yeah, look at that, it's still going and lighting up. So if you're a little bit curious about this, then I think it goes lighting up for about 30 seconds. But let me try it again. Let's squeeze. Well, we have to squeeze in order for it to light up. Ready? Whoa, that was so loud. Why don't we try another one? Oh my god. Like, you can't even do this. Look. This is fun. Well, I would thank him for giving me some way, and also this one. Yeah, it is a bit breezy out, but doesn't make it that cold as it was as when I was swimming 1 hour ago. Oh, I was in the middle of saying, wow, lazy cats are those. But I was stopped, not by a security guard, luckily, but for another guy who had a bit of a problem. But cats around these streets are like pretty lazy. Pretty lazy indeed. In that sense of matter. Let's see. Well, I think there's another 15 until I really get my order. Ready? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm glad there's no cats here because, oh man, I just said so. Oh, there's one at this door. I'm a bit lucky there. Is that one at that door? It's just a little hangout. Oh, that was just think that was that guy that stopped for a little checkout with payments. There's a lot of honky cars today, so I have to show you if you're really curious about where the lazy cats are. There was this one kid playing hide and seek with his friends. Oh, that one just passed by. That's not the one I'm talking. Wow, well, that one for example. And like I was walking right there, and I had absolutely no way in. Okay, this one's just playing with a feather, but these ones gathering through this area right there, even though they're only like 10 years old, they pretend to be 71. Cat's only until 71. But oh, look at that trunk out there. Man, there's a big one. A very big one. Right. Looks like the hide and seek game just came to an end. Alright. Now I'm gonna get back in the restaurant because I don't hear any kids playing any games around. So this is a sign that they really did chill from the hide and seek game. And yes, some of these cars around here have these bulls. You know, they print off a bull on the car. These are mainly for business. Okay. I just left the restaurant. Now I'm gonna go to Starbucks to teen evening. Alright, so I'm waiting for my order. Get ready. Let's see. No, it's just getting ready right now. At the moment. Alright, I found this red chalk pen, and I'm gonna draw. Oh. Okay. Ah, I broke it. What? Yep. Fantastic. Shit. Oh, crap. Oh. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh. All right. They're out. They're finally out of zone. Because guess what? They started a big fight on another. That was just like being about to start a battle with your biggest enemy. Luckily, we don't have another one coming out from there. Yeah, it's dark, it's spooky, but man, they people were like, even the people were insane. I walked in there, they just basically stopped just because of another barking guy. Okay. Well, now that they're out there, I can enjoy more time. Let these little nerds. Oh, now we have a cat. Well, the dogs are gone, but now I have a cat that blocks my way. So this is all I have to say. Thanks for enjoying the video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, where it'll be Friday the 13th. Good luck, you guys.